This right here is an outside wig. This one here is an outside install. I am blown away. Today I've teamed up with Nadula and they sent over this beautiful 7x5 Bye Bye Knots lace wig. Not only is she Bye Bye Knots, she's a pre-everything cap construction. She's a closure, so she fits glueless. I didn't even bond her down, and I didn't even realize I didn't bond her down, but she literally is just sitting on top of my head. It came pre-styled with the perfect bang. She came as a bust down middle part with the perfect waves, perfectly pre-styled, and it even had the bang attached to keep your bang intact. Literally chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. The lace is flawless. It fits glueless. Need I say more? Of course, I have all the details to my wig in the description box, including a direct link. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So today we are rocking a pre-styled wig from Nadula, and it's one of those ones that come with the bang in the front, and they keep it together because how else would you keep a bang intact without the roller? So of course they do it for you. They style your bang and then they put it in the roller so it's already nice and set. And not only is she pre-styled, but she's also pre-colored. But this is also a pre-everything wig. So when you think about it, you get pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, the perfect pre-styled bang, and you get a pre-colored wig as well. So literally, it's like a beauty salon experience in a box. I love it. We have a bust down middle part in the middle, and you can see, look at the lace in the middle and that parting space, as well as the texture of hair. You can tell this is gonna melt and be so beautiful. You kind of flip that roller back and you'll see the inside construction of the cap. Here you can see the pre-everything details of the lace, including the nice scallop cut along the hairline. This is going to act like camouflage and kind of help to hide, so that when people are looking at your lace, it's not like blunt across and just dropped on. It looks like an illusion, if you will. And then below that, of course, we have the adjustable and removable elastic band, perfect to help to make the wig fit even tighter and even more glueless. And then finally at the nape, you do have your comb, and this is a larger comb. You also have your adjustable strap here, as well as your drawstring. So the drawstring is really going to bring it home and make sure that it's a custom fit no matter who is wearing your wig. So I went ahead and adjusted the strap as well as the elastic band. Now we're going to go ahead and put her on and adjust the drawstring. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. We went ahead and put her on, and we're literally just brushing her out. Keep in mind, I did go ahead and play with this one a couple of days ago, so it did kind of take away the perfect body wave that the hair already had. So keep that in mind whenever you take your wig out and you are like trying it on or just looking at it, and then you wait a couple days, you may kind of interfere with the natural body wave that they provide. And this is what she looks like from the back. The color is gorgeous. The density is nice and full, and then of course I love the length on her. Okay, so here you'll see the drawstring, and all you do is nicely just tug or pull and get it to where you want. You'll also see that there is a stopper there, so literally just grab the stopper, pull, and make sure you get it to your desired tightness. If you don't feel like it's tight enough, you're also able to go back in and tighten it later down the road, but this is perfect for me. Also, don't forget, I just almost forgot, lift the wig back up after you adjust it and tuck the drawstring back in, and it won't like slide out or anything like that. If it's out, typically that means you probably didn't tuck it back in, but other than that, you are literally good to go. Now that we've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and fire up some hot tools. This one is gonna be so easy to style. I feel like it's already installed, but just to add a quick one too, to give it its own little style or detail, I'm gonna use the electric hot comb for the dynamic do up top, and then I think I'm gonna use the wand curler, but I kind of want to go a little bit bigger with the curls. So you guys know this is a Numi, and I keep the little case, and inside I do have 3 barrels, or yeah, there are 3 barrels. My third barrel is in like the bucket where I keep all of my hot tools, so I don't have it here to show you guys, but really quickly you just kind of push the button and release it, and then I like to take and put the larger barrel. I think this one will be fun to use today. Attach it in, and it does have a little clamp here. I know I never show that. Maybe we'll use that today, but you're good to go. Then I just turn it on, and you see how it like winds up. It's like, of course it's electric, but it'll wind up on its own. It goes up to 410 degrees. So we're gonna let those 2 gadgets heat up while we go ahead and remove the roller. And you see, just like that, we have a pre-styled bang. The thing about it is I love it, but sometimes it may be a little bit too long. Step one for me is to kind of just pull the wig back a little bit, because you may find that it is too long, but when you pull the wig back, it'll prevent you from having to go in and essentially, I'm all over the place. It may prevent you from having to go in and cut it. Also, you can sweep it to the side for more of a fringe look if you don't want to cut it. Just keep all of these things in mind. I love it really long, but of course, if I wear it straight on like this, it is a little bit longer. But then again, if you finesse and kind of just sweep it to the side, that is cute too. So let's go ahead and just get started on all of the things so we can just decide exactly what we want to do. So now we have that setup already ready. Let's go ahead and do our dynamic duo and tint the lace. Also, the great idea is to just go ahead and set that down, pack it, lift it, and then just kind of go in and tint this, just because we are going to wear the lace down, but we also want to make sure that we are unclockable. And what I mean by that is when the wind blows or we swipe our hair or anything like that, we want to make sure that the lace blends with our skin. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because again, we're not necessarily exposing this part. But let's just say your hair is down and you just do a quick 1-2 or you laugh and the wind blows. You know, you just don't want the lace to be noticeable if you can help it, right? Okay, so let's bump it and see if we want to keep it here. I think I'm going to keep the sides the way they are. I really like it there. But we're going to see if we need to bump or trim down the center a little bit more. Okay, so far so good. Let's play with the ends so we can bring it on home. Okay, so we are done with the look. I did spray that side down, so I'll spray this side down for the plot, but we have about 4 minutes before it is time to go pick up Dominic from school. So let's go ahead and just get to it. Look at how beautifully this hair curls. Sometimes you will get hair, and even if it has a wave pattern, it doesn't hold a curl, or it just takes so much to get it to curl. This one curls so effortlessly, so you can most certainly manipulate it to the style that you want. This is absolutely gorgeous, and keep in mind, it's a Tuesday afternoon. I have nowhere to go, and this is the one that you're gonna want to wear out, like especially that first time. This is perfect birthday hair. This is concert hair. This is outside hair for sure, and I'm gonna be inside. I'm gonna go pick up the kids and do the Mamiana thing, but she's fire. Absolutely gorgeous. I may not have gotten it perfect from the back, but you guys get the picture. This is absolutely beautiful. She's a piece. She's absolutely fire. Okay, love bugs, before we head out, let's see what this one looks like in a perfect clip. You guys know the updo is the bougie way to kind of just put your hair back. It's cuter than a bun. It works even better with like nice curled hair. And just like that, with me talking, you guys seen, I created the perfect updo. So when you're outside at a picnic, daytime, nighttime, she is fire. I'm obsessed. We have a direct link and all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.